Welcome to my channel STB Science. Dear students, today we will start MCQ test for preparation of different exams and tests. I hope that this type of test will help you success in your all type of exams and tests. Let's start. Question number 1. All leaves grow on the dash of plants. A. Roots. B. Stems. C. Leaves. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Stems. Question number 2. Chlorophyll is the dash colored substance in the leaf. A. Red. B. Yellow. C. White. D. Green. Correct answer is D. Green. Question number 3. The midrib and vein in the leaf carry A. Food and water. B. Food only. C. Water only. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Food and water. Question number 4. When two or more leaves grow on a leaf stalk, the leaf is called A. Leaflet. B. Simple leaf. C. Compound leaf. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Compound leaf. Five. The food of the plant is A. Rice. B. Glucose. C. Butter. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Glucose. Question number 6. A fruit is made from a dash. A. Flower. B. Stem. C. Leaves. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Flower. Question number 7. A mango is a fruit dash. A. Dry. B. Hard. C. Juicy. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Juicy. Question number 8. A push or a pull is called A. Work. B. Energy. C. Force. D. All of these. Correct answer is C. Force. Question number 9. The food of a machine is called A. Water. B. Fuel. C. Food. D. All of these. Correct answer is B. Fuel. Question number 10. The fuel of our body is A. Food. B. Petrol. C. Diesel. D. Gas. Correct answer is A. Food. Question number 11. The moon is A. Luminous. B. Non-luminous. C. Burning. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Non-luminous. Question number 12. Cannot see through objects. A. Opaque. B. Transparent. C. Translucent. D. None of all of these. Correct answer is A. Opaque. Question number 13. Metals through which it can pass are called A. Semiconductors. B. Poor conductors. C. Good conductors. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Good conductors. Question number 14. Plastic is a conductor of heat. A. Poor conductor. B. Good conductor. C. Semiconductor. D. All of these. Correct answer is A. Poor conductor. Question number 15. There is a layer of dash around the earth. A. Water. B. Gas. C. Smoke. D. Air. Correct answer is D. Air. Question number 16. The earth goes round the sun is about dash days. A. 340 days. 365 days. C. 100 days. D. 400 days. Correct answer is B. 365 days. Question number 17. The mantle is made up of rocks. B. Clay. C. Sand. D. All of these. Correct answer is A. Rocks. Question number 18. Leaves fall off trees in dash. A. Spring. B. Summer. C. Autumn. D. Winter. Correct answer is C. Autumn. Question number 19. Which one of the following is herbivore? A. Sheep. B. Hen. C. Dog. D. Cat. Correct answer is A. Sheep. Question number 20. A starfish moves about in water is with it is A. Fins. B. Legs. C. 2 feet. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. 2 feet. Question number 21. Fish breathe in the water by their A. Gills. B. Fins. C. Lungs. D. Legs. Correct answer is A. Gills. Question number 22. Birds have no beak. B. Claws. C. Teeth. D. All of these. Correct answer is C. Teeth. Question number 23. Mushrooms get their food from in the soil. A. Humus. B. Water. C. Animals. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Humus. Question number 24. The smallest part of matter is called dash. A. An element. B. A molecule. C. An atom. D. All of these. Correct answer is C. An atom. Question number 25. A solid can be changed into a liquid by dash. A. Heating. B. Cooling. C. Evaporating. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Heating. Please subscribe and keep watching my STB Science channel for more videos. Thanks.